Hi everyone, this is Forlisa here with HomeBody. So in this video, I am actually saying goodbye to my sectional. This is going to be the last official video that I'm doing of my sectional, for which I've had for about 6 years now, since 2012, you guys. So I love this sectional. However, I think I've outgrown it and I'm ready for a sofa. And I showed you guys in my vision video what type of sofa I wanted. So I found the sofa that I wanted and I placed my order for it today. And it should be in on Friday. So then I'll be doing a video showing you guys that sofa. And if you have not subscribed to HomeBody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. If you're interested in seeing the rest of this video, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so let me just tell you where all the pillows come. I've already told you that the couch came from Rooms To Go about 6 years ago. My pom-pom throw came from HomeGoods, and this pillow is just a pillow cover that I stuffed with some feathers. Came from Amazon, and the aqua pillows and the white pillows came from HomeGoods, as well as this gray pillow here. These two pillows here came from Burlington, and this throw here came from HomeGoods. Now, I am loving these shears here. Now, this particular shear here, I'm not sure if you're noticing, it's an ombre shear, you guys. It starts off as a light teal at the bottom, and as you work your way up, it turns to the aqua color, and then it goes to white. Now, this shear came from Amazon. I placed the link below just in case. I know I have a lot of teal and aqua lovers that's following me here on YouTube. So now this wall art here in the middle came from Ross, and the wall art at the top came from HomeGoods. Z Gallery has a bigger piece of wall art like this, but of course, you guys know if I can find something cheaper, I definitely will do that. Now this hanging pendant light here came from Pier 1 some years ago. This wall art came from HomeGoods. My lamps I showed you guys in the haul actually came from Ross. I think they were $29.99. Picture frame here from Z Gallery. Books from HomeGoods. Everything over here came from HomeGoods. This vase came from Z Gallery. Now let's talk about this vase. This vase actually came from Z Gallery, and the actual tray came from HomeGoods. The linen floral here came from Z Gallery, and these particular branches here came from At Home. It was 2 in a pack for $12. Okay, so my table here, if you guys haven't seen me do my video when I first got it, this table expands out, and I ordered this table from, where'd I get it? From Wayfair. Yeah, from Wayfair. And it actually has another shelf over here too. I love this coffee table. I'll try to place the link below to the coffee table as well. My basket here and these 2 candle holders here came from Burlington. Everything else on this coffee table came from HomeGoods. And over here, again, lamp from Ross. This is a DIY. Z Gallery, HomeGoods. And the actual bedside or nightstand accent. What is this, you guys? This accent piece here actually came from At Home. Now back on this side, entryway table came from Rooms to Go. All the candle holders and candles and lamps and accent pieces, except for the cloche, came from HomeGoods. And these 2 candle holders here, they came from Michael's. These in the middle came from Z Gallery. And my actual vase here that I'm flipping over using as a candle holder came from Z Gallery. My wall art came from Kirkland's. And the sconces came from Overstock. And my lilies, I think they came from At Home, but I purchased them last. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bid farewell to my sectional. And the next video that I'm going to show you guys in this living room will hopefully be me having my new sofa and maybe my accent chair as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.